Welcome back, everyone. This is Unit 10, Lesson 3 and 4. Let's start with the vocabulary, okay? The key vocabulary. We have braces. People usually wear braces. Why? Okay, to get their teeth straight. Braces. Wear braces. Wear braces to get their teeth straight. Helmet. We usually say wear a helmet. Especially workers in construction should wear a helmet. Workers in construction أو خاصة في أعمال البناء والحاجات دي كلها must wear a helmet. Receiver, okay, the receiver, like TV receiver. We have a sensor. Sensor, something that's sensible for heat or can react to heat or, for example, movement and things like that. Sensor. Continent, we have, I think, 5 continents: Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, and Australia. Grain, for example, like the rice, like wheat, all are these examples of grain. Grain, yeah, rice, wheat. Signal, we usually say receive a signal, receive signal, okay. We have trainers, wear trainers if you would like to go running. Wireless, when I say this is a wireless machine, I mean that we don't have any cords, we don't have any wires. Wireless internet connection. Wireless internet connection. In vain, go in vain. دايما usually your mommy has some concerns about her efforts would go in vain. دايما بتبقى شايفة ان مجهودها هيروح in vain عبثا او هباء يعني. Go in vain. Fellow, okay. When I say my fellow, يعني my friends. My fellow, I mean my friends. Toiler يعني hard worker. Hard worker. كنا أخدناها في poem اسمها busy لما قال rain and sea and air and sun. Here is a fellow toiler one whose task will soon be done. Toiler يعني hard worker. واحد مكافح. Toil. All the Egyptian families toil to earn a living. يعني بيكدحوا, they work hard to earn a living. وللأسف ده ايه؟ ده بيورثوه لأولادهم إنك لازم يطلع عينك علشان to get money and to lead a comfortable life. يبقى wear braces, wear helmet, TV receiver, a sensor, continent, grains like rice and wheat, receive signal, wear trainers, wireless internet connection, go in vain, my friend, my fellow, okay? Hard worker is somebody who toils. Lesson 3, allow somebody to do something. I don't allow my students to speak out of turn. I don't allow my students to speak out of turn. ما بحبش حد يتكلم مش في دوره. Anywhere, I'll go anywhere. We have without, be or verb plus ing. Without working hard, you want to make your dreams come true. Satellite TV, we have nature, headphones, motorbike, sports matches, podcast, airbags. الايرباجز اللي بتبقى موجودة في السيارات والحاجات دي كلها. Clear material, check. Yeah, check. So drivers usually check oil level before they drive a car. Check oil level. Context, good job. لو جاب لك سؤال تشوز على vocabulary وانت ما تعرفش مش عارف توصل للمعنى, use the context clue. اقرا جملة كويسة ودور على مفتاح في السياق. Context clue. Verse اللي هو a group of lines in a poem اسمها verse. Poet, wheat, seed. طبعا السيدز بنستخدمها to plant. Okay. Plant grains. Poem. Rhyme. For example, when I say the word fast, okay, or the word care rhymes with fair. Care, fair. Task, do a certain task. A diplomat. كان في شاعر اسمه روبرت, لا مش روبرت لويس ستيفنسون. I can't remember. He was a diplomat, okay, and he was at the same time he was a poet. Wait, I hate waiting for people. Diplomat, يعني ده بيبقى زي الامباسsadors أو السفير يعني. Okay, we need somebody to go through the key vocabulary one last time. Okay, Sema, why don't you go through the key vocabulary one more time? Sema, can you read the key vocabulary and the notes that I wrote here? Okay, Abdurrahman Hisham.
Brace.
Okay, brace. Okay, thank you, Abdurrahman. Braces, yes.
Braces, wear helmet, TV receiver, sensor, connect, grain rice weight, single receiver, uh, train race, where race, internet connection,
Wireless internet connection.
Invin go, flow my friend, tall liar, hard working, toy.
Toiler is a hardworking person. Okay, Abdurrahman Hisham, can you go through lesson 3?
allow, anywhere, without, satellite, TV, natural, headphones, motorbike, sports match, podcast, airbags, clear material, check.
Yeah, check oil level. Yassine, can you go through lesson of vocabulary, lesson 4 vocab? Yassine Mustafa.
معاك يا مستر. context, verse, poet, week, seed, poem, rhyme, task, diplomat, way.
Okay, wait for. We said wait for. Okay, now let's jump straight to do some practice. Go with me to page number, okay guys, page number 203. 203. I will choose someone. You read the question and answer it. Okay. Question number 1. Yeah, Yusuf Muhammad.
Signal.
Can you read the question, Yusuf? Is information or?
Instructions that is sent by sound light.
Good. Perfect. Signal.
Signal.
Thank you. Number 2, Jumana Ahmed.
GPS.
Can you read the question, please?
Is a network for satellites that helps to show location or something on the earth. GPS.
GPS. 3, Tabarak.
Parents don't allow him to say out late. The anonym of allow is private.
Antonym. The antonym of allow, permit, but this is a synonym. دي نفس المعنى. Permit يعني يسمح. يبقى prevent. If I allow something, I prevent it. Okay. Number 4, Iyad. Iyad Muhammad. Abdurrahman Subhi.
تبقى without success.
I searched for the last watch in vain without success. معناها هباء أو عبثا يعني. Okay, number 5, معتز محمد.
Lit.
So, satellites allow us to study the weather all around the world. Allow here means let. Good. Allow means let. Okay. Abdullah Islam. Abdullah. Number 6, Africa, Europe, and Asia are
continents.
continents. Perfect. Number 7, the ancient Egyptians made from the inside of sheep. From the inside of sheep. رؤى.
Braces.
Races. Good. Races. Number 9. 8. Sports are very useful for your health. The word useful means ريتا سامح. The word useful means
Good.
good. Perfect. Good for your
Good.
health. 9. To be famous and rich, you should be a toiler. The word toiler means someone who, Ahmed Meher, what does toiler mean?
ماشي مستر 9 صح؟
Yeah, to be famous and rich, you should be a toiler. The word toiler means someone who
B.
works hard. Good. But I disagree with this one. Yeah, I don't like it. You don't have to be a toiler to work hard. Sometimes you need to work smart, not hard. You don't have to plug it because it is. كيرو بيقول لك you don't have to plug it. مش محتاج توصله زي السبيكرز مثلا. Wireless. Good. 11. He did not go to school since he was ill. The word since here means, Ahmed Sameh, he didn't go to school since he was ill. يا ترى كلمة since هنا what does it mean? Okay, Ahmed Sameh.
Because, Mr.
Because, yeah, since sometimes or
Yes, sir.
it can mean because. مش لازم طول الوقت معناها منذ. ممكن it can mean because. Since he was ill, because he was ill. 12. You can wear for sports. They are very comfortable to your feet. Okay, they are very comfortable to your feet. مؤمن مصطفى. You can wear for sports. They are very comfortable to your feet.
Trainers.
Trainers. Yeah, good. You can wear trainers. Is a seed or seeds from a plant that you can eat. Sama? A seed or seeds from a plant that you can eat.
Green.
Grain. الحبوب, yes. Grains. Okay? Grains. Is a special hard hat used to protect the head. Radwa Ramzi? A special hard hat used to protect the head. Radwa Ramzi? A special hard hat used to protect the head.
Helmet.
This is a helmet. Good. This is a helmet. 15 is something which can measure small amounts of light, heat, or sound. Something that can measure small amounts of light, heat, and sound. Okay. So, Abdullah Said,
Sensor.
a sensor. Good. 16. You can make an adjective from the noun use by adding, Yusuf Ayman, I need to turn the word use into an adjective. What should I add here?
Useful.
Useful. Perfect. We add these effects to get the adjective from the noun wire. Hamad Sabri, if I want to turn the word wire into an adjective, I add
wireless.
wireless. خاصة لو أنت عايز تجيب الإيه؟ الopposite. Wireless. Careless. Moneyless. If you do something in vain, you do something, but this happened in vain. Yasin Mustafa, if you do something in vain, remember your mommy when she tells you that everything I do with you, everything I do for you, it goes in vain.
Unsuccessful.
Unsuccessfully. هباء أو عبثا. 19, Omar succeeded in all his exams last year. That means that all his exams. Yusuf Muhammad.
Best.
So
ولا
passed.
best.
Passed.
Best.
Number 20. The first photo of the Earth was in 1946. Tabarak.
Taken.
Yeah, was taken in 1946. Good. That's wonderful. Okay. Here the grammar will be the same. We don't have a new grammar lesson. Okay. So the same grammar lesson, present perfect continuous, and past perfect. And so let's go and do lessons 3 and 4. This won't be homework. We're going to do it right now. هنحل مع بعض lesson 3 and lesson 4 right now. So this is the first one here. Okay. Jumana Ahmed, can you read the dialogue and answer it, please? Hafsa was calling her friend Hiba on the phone, but she was told that she was out. مهم جدا نقرا الانtroduction. Let's go يا Jumana.
Hafsa, good morning. May I speak to Hiba, please? And good morning. She isn't here.
Yeah. You can say she isn't here at the moment, or you can say she is out. She's out. Oh, she isn't here. Both are okay. Shall I know who's calling?
It's Hafsa, her friend.
Yeah. So you can say it is Hafsa. Okay. It's Hafsa. I am sorry. I'm Hafsa, or it's Hafsa. I am her friend. I'm sorry to have troubled you. That's all right.
Shall I tell her in message?
Yeah. Would you like to leave a message? Would you like to leave a message? Would you like to leave a message? Yes, please. Would tell her to call me when she comes back.
What's your telephone number?
Yeah, what is your telephone number? What is your... Oh, can I have your phone number? What is your phone number? Oh, can I have her phone number? Your phone number? Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Goodbye. You're welcome. Goodbye. Thank you, Jemana. Perfect. Okay, read and complete the text with words from the following list. I'm gonna go for Mu'min Mustafa. Can you read and complete it?
يا واحدة مستر دي واحدة. Okay, Mr. Dr. Farouk El-Paz is one of the most important scientists. He was a moon scientist.
He was a moon scientist and geologist. Okay.
He worked with NASA. He helped to
Wait,
plan where
wait. Can we say a moon scientist?
a moon scientist.
Why don't we say a sun scientist? طب ليه ما نقولش sun؟
Okay.
طب ما عندك space. He was a
He
space
worked
scientist.
with NASA.
Yeah, he worked with NASA.
He helped to plan where Apollo 11 should land on the space,
No.
the moon.
Yeah, was land on the moon because nobody was able to land on the sun. Nobody can get closer to the sun. So to land on the moon. He also started studying deserts.
Desert. He used satellite to find rivers.
Satellites, yeah, that were
that were above the sand.
No, not above. Under. We don't have any rivers above the sand. All the rivers are under the sand. Under the sand. هو كان بيدور على underwater، يعني اللي هي المياه الجوفية والحاجات دي كلها. He used satellites to find rivers that were under the sand. Perfect. Thank you. Okay, choose the correct answer. Let me go to Yassir Mustafa. Number 1 is a machine which can receive or read information that is sent by a satellite. Yassir Mustafa.
ماشي. Satellite receiver.
Satellite receiver. Good. Number 2, Yassir Mustafa, is someone who is working hard.
Toy.
A toiler, not toilet, toiler. Okay.
أنا قلت toy.
Okay. Muhammad Ashur, we can use the internet without wires. This means that we use wireless technology. Perfect. Wireless technology. Number 4, Muhammad Ashur, to make the adjective from the word success, here we add a suffix.
Successful.
Yeah, successful. Thank you. Abdullah said number 5, satellites allow us to study the weather all around the world. Allow to is the opposite of
Prevent.
prevent. Yeah, prevent. Prevent something from. Number 6, if you do something in.
أنا مستر.
Yes.
Vain.
You do something in vain. V-A-I-N. And that's it for lesson 3 and 4. Does anybody have any questions? Does anybody have any questions?